In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Hostinger balance. Whether you're a seasoned website owner or just getting started, keeping track of your account balance is crucial. Let's dive into the process step by step to ensure you have no trouble finding this information on your own. First, you'll want to navigate to the Hostinger website by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the Hostinger URL. Once you're on the home page, look for the Login button typically located at the top right corner. You'll click on that button, which will prompt you to enter your account credentials. It's important to make sure you're entering the correct email address and password associated with your Hostinger account. In case you have multiple accounts, double-check that you're logging into the right one to avoid any confusion. After successfully logging in, you should be directed to your account dashboard. This is the central hub where you can manage all aspects of your Hostinger services, from domains to hosting plans. On your dashboard, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout so you can easily find what you're looking for. Look for the section labeled Billing or anything similar. The wording may vary slightly, but it should be clear that this section deals with your financial transactions or account balance. Clicking on the Billing section will take you to a detailed page outlining various billing-related information. Here, you can see past invoices, view your payment history, and, most importantly, check your current account balance. Usually, your balance will be displayed prominently, allowing you to easily determine how much credit you have remaining or if there's a payment due. Understanding your balance is essential, not only to keep your services uninterrupted but also to manage additional purchases you might need, such as extra domain names or upgraded hosting plans. If your balance is running low, or if there's an outstanding payment, you'll typically find options right there to add funds or make a payment. Hostinger usually offers different methods for replenishing your balance, including credit cards, PayPal, or sometimes even cryptocurrency, depending on what they've enabled at the time. Before concluding, it's a good practice to regularly check this billing section, especially if you have automatic payments set up. This will help you avoid any surprise interruptions in service. And just like that, you've learned how to check your Hostinger balance. Logging in and understanding where to find balance information will empower you to keep better tabs on your hosting expenses and plan accordingly for any future website needs. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and I hope it has provided you with a clear understanding of how to manage your Hostinger account effectively. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and feel free to leave any questions you have in the comments section below. Until next time.